How to create a passive income while you are doing your PhD is something that we are going to talk in this video. So firstly, let's understand what is passive income. Passive income is the money earned with minimal activity through any venture that requires little daily effort or upkeep an individual's part. So let's understand it in this way. There is an active income and then there is a passive income. When you are working like 8 to 9 hours in any job or in your lab, you are being paid for that 8 to 9 hours, right? So the day when you don't work for those 8 to 9 hours, you don't get paid for that. So that is your active income. A passive income is one when you have done some work, you have made something, and that some amount that you have put, now it creates you an income all the time, even when you are actively working on it or when you are not actively working on it. That kind of income is called as a passive income. So in this video, I will talk about 4 ways through which a PhD student can generate passive income while doing his PhD. And who doesn't like some extra money? So the first way of creating passive income while doing your PhD is to write an ebook. So the first step of writing an ebook is you have to choose something, a topic, a subject, or even a personality that you are passionate about. Then you have to put down all your learnings on that topic. You have to write those down either in the form of on a notebook or on a Word document somewhere. After you have an idea about what you want to write in that book, now you have to create an outline of that book on how that book is going to look like. Initially, you can write that book in a Word file and then use Overleaf, which is a free latex editor, to create a PDF of that book. It is a free tool that and has many templates that will generate a perfect book PDF. The next step is to design a cover page of that book. You can design good looking and attractive cover pages using an online free tool named as Canva. It is completely free. After you have the PDF of the book and the cover page, you can use another free tool named as Amazon Kindle Publishing to publish your book. You have to upload the book, upload the cover page, and set its price. This whole process is completely free. After you have got your book on Amazon Kindle, you can now share your book amongst your friends and family and your peers. It's free to publish, and every time somebody buys your book, you get around 40 to 50% of the amount of that book for every sale made. The second way of generating passive income while doing PhD is by selling online courses. Here again you have to see that if you have expertise on a topic, you can create a course on that topic and share your knowledge with people. Like if you know how to use a software, you can create a tutorial course of that software and sell it. If you are creating tutorial on a paid software, make sure that you have appropriate permissions from your PhD guide or supervisor to do so. Here I would like to show you an example of one of my friends named Palak, where she has created an online course on optics and now she is selling that course on Udemy. There are many websites where you can upload your course and sell it. One of them is Udemy. Then you have Skillshare, or you can even sign up on Unacademy. You can use Facebook or Instagram ads to promote your course. Here again you can easily get for 40 to 50% commission from each of the sale of that course. Third way of earning passive income during PhD is using Google Adsense. If you are good at writing or creating a content, you can use Google AdSense to your advantage and earn money. You can create either a YouTube channel, or you can start a blog and post content on the topic that you think you have an expertise on, or you like to create content on that topic. Both YouTube channel and blog can be monetized using Google AdSense. In the case of YouTube channel, you will need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours to monetize it. While in the case of blog, you need to buy a domain and hosting and start monetizing your blog from the very day one. Here, the whole game is about the topic that you have selected to post your content on. The good content will somehow get the views. It will get the views. More and more people will come to it. You just need to stay consistent, and the higher you rank in your specific topic or in your specific field, more income you can generate from it. The fourth way of creating a passive income while doing your PhD is by selling stock photos and videos on stock websites. These days, almost everybody has a decent camera phone. You can use that to your advantage to generate a passive income while doing your PhD. You can sell those photos or videos on websites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Fotolia, Dreamstime, iStock Photo, LME, or Getty Images, etc. You can upload your photos on those websites and set a price for them. Every time a photo gets sold, you will get a commission for it. So in this video, I have shared 4 ways by which you can generate a passive income while doing your PhD. If you have watched this video till the end, do comment I have watched till the end, so that I can also get a feedback on who has watched it till the end. If you find my content useful, you can like and comment on this video, even share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Till the next week, take care.